Your entire test suite is green, 0 failures, so you ship to production, and everything breaks. Sound familiar? That's overmocking. When you mock a dependency, you're telling your test, trust me, this thing works correctly. But the mock doesn't know if the real dependency changed. A database function gets renamed, an API returns a different data shape. Your mock test still passes, but your users see errors. Overmocking hides real integration bugs that only surface in production. The second big problem: mocks lock your tests to how your code works internally, not what it does. If you mock a specific method call and then refactor to a different internal approach, your test breaks. Even if the behavior is identical, you end up rewriting tests just to rename a function. Good tests should survive refactoring. Together, these problems create false confidence. Your test suite looks healthy, but those mocks may not reflect how the real system actually behaves. There's also a maintenance cost. Heavily mocked tests are filled with setup boilerplate that's tedious to read and painful to update. The solution: use real dependencies in integration tests. Prefer fakes that mimic real behavior over rigid mocks. And test what your code does rather than how it does it. Overmocking creates tests that lie. Keep mocks minimal, test behavior, and back them up with real integration tests. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.